Hello viewers and friends, welcome to Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial we're going to look about what's new in jieshuo January 4th 2023. So before start this video, don't forget to like and share and give your comments to this video. So for new users or for new listeners, the previous tutorials will be provided at the description, provided in the playlist at the description below. And to new viewers, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell notification icon to get our latest video easily. We will upload our latest video on every Saturday, but if we have any latest update, and we will upload the video any of the day. So take note and be careful and be alert on this. So okay, without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial.
0 plus as 1 plus. Back page 1 of 3.
Okay, viewers, as I told in the introduction, now we're going to look what's new, or what are the new feature which has been provided in the jieshuo or commentary screen reader, which has been released at 4 January 2023. So let's go. First of all, the first update or first difference that has been provided is reading method for some section. For example, before this, if you notice that if you read if you go to your notification settings, where you want to clear your notification, or when you go to the notification bar settings or something like that, to off and on your mobile data, or turn on your Bluetooth or anything else, it will read Bluetooth on, right? So now the difference that I have noticed in this January 4th 2023 update is it will read little bit different. So let me show you.
Access.
Okay, let me.
Notification change.
Okay.
Matter 70. Progress. SAT. Wi-Fi. Switch off.
It say Wi-Fi switch off. That means Wi-Fi off. Before this, in the previous update, it said as Wi-Fi off. Now in this update, it's show Wi-Fi switch off.
Mobile data LTE switch on.
See, this is the first difference that I have noticed in this January 4th 2023 update. So we're going to next.
Back button.
Okay, now I will go into the jieshuo application.
Awkward translation. Default. Main menu. Program settings. jieshuo Lite.
Alright. Now I will go to the general settings.
20. Email type. General settings. jieshuo Lite.
Okay, now I will going to the custom gesture scheme settings.
Custom gesture scheme settings. Custom.
Alright, and then
Custom. Save. More options button.
Before this, if you heard in any gestures, if you heard default, I mean it's have labeled, or the developer has set this Before this, if we swipe and if we see any gestures that we didn't use, it will say only default. We don't know, didn't know what are the contents that have in that site. And if we have set any gestures with any functions in the jieshuo, it will say, for example, I have said, this is only for the example, I have said swipe left and right, open URL. In the previous update, it will say it will announce open URL, but in this update, it will say open URL and function, which means the open URL is come from the function. So I will show you while explaining. Okay, let's hear this.
Up gesture previous focusable element default. Down gesture next focusable element default.
So before this, if you see up gestures and down gestures, it only will announce default. Now in this update, it will announce with the name of the content. I mean, it will announce what are the default contents. So I hope it's clear. Now let's look at next.
Swipe left shortcut default.
Okay.
Swipe right shortcut default. Left and right gesture from advanced settings to target language. Right and up and down gesture next element type function.
Okay. Before this, it will say only
Down up and down gesture next element type function.
okay. Before this, it only will say
Down up and down gesture next element type function.
Before this, it only will say next element type. Now in this update, it's have include the function word. So then for the basic users will know this next element and previous element is come from the function, I mean from the jieshuo's function. Okay.
Down and up gesture previous element type function.
Okay, these are the second update or second new things that I have found. We're going to next.
Jieshuo white.
Now I will go to the operation settings.
Jieshuo 1 setup TTS volume read usage hits checkbox on Jieshuo TT feedback operation settings. Operation settings.
Then I will go. I will swipe to my right.
Navigate up button. Operation settings. Gesture scheme custom. Custom gesture scheme settings. Gesture scheme description. Gesture scheme settings. Per application gesture scheme plus.
Okay, you will found here. Your screen reader will be silent in this part.
Shortcut gesture settings.
If you're using ETI Eloquence TTS, because this
Per application gesture scheme plus WhatsApp IQMP3 recorder.
beside these per app gesture skins, the function or the features which is provided is in Chinese, so that's why it doesn't announce. So let me translate.
Game mode settings.
Okay,
Default.
it's have provided game mode settings. So let's go and let's double tap in this. This is the third update and new things that I have found in this update.
Use the gamer mode for controls which applications are using the gamer mode. While an application is included in this mode, the touch browsing is automatically paused when the application gains focus and resumed when it is exited.
Okay, these are the gamer settings for those who like to play the games. So you can refer these settings.
Checkbox unchecked.
Okay, it's say like this because it's have in Chinese name. So let me translate this for you.
Disable speech synthesis in game mode checkbox unchecked.
Okay, this is the first option.
Default checkbox unchecked. Disable edge gestures in game mode checkbox unchecked.
This is the second option. All option in these settings will be in the Chinese name, so you should translate to read it out.
Default. Disable edge gestures in game mode checkbox unchecked.
This is the third option.
Default. Game mode settings. Default. Use the gamer mode for controls. Checkbox unchecked. Operation settings.
Okay, that's all for this section.
Shortcut navigation. Edge gesture settings.
Okay, let's go to the last and final update or new things that I have found.
Jieshuo White.
This is the main things which has been mentioned by the developer.
Reading settings.
We need to go to the advanced settings,
Advanced settings. Advanced settings.
then timer settings.
Advanced voice assistant and translations. OCR settings. Timer settings. Timer settings.
Okay, if you swipe to your right,
Navigate up button. Timer settings.
here your screen reader didn't will announce anything if you use Eloquence TTS because it's here. It's have one new settings which you can announce, which you can change your TTS, or which you can set your own TTS engine. I mean different TTS engine, or you can set TTS engine separately for announce your time. So before this, in the previous update, this feature doesn't have in that previous update. Okay, so let me translate this for you.
Timekeeping voice settings.
Timekeeping voice settings. Okay, you should go double tap on this.
Default. Jieshuo White.
After that,
Jieshuo White.
it's
Timekeeping voice library. Default.
timekeeping voice library, but it's in Chinese name, so you should translate to read it up. Okay, let me go into this.
System TTSN.
Okay, after that,
Timekeeping. Default. System TTS engine checked. SBI unchecked. Baidu Cloud TTS unchecked. Bibliotech unchecked. Speech services by google/com.google.android.tts unchecked. ETI Eloquence TTS/s.codifactory.eloquences unchecked. Cancel button.
okay, all the TTS that have provided by jieshuo and all the TTS which have in your device will be appear here, so you can choose any TTS from there and check it. After that, your time will be announced by that TTS, not your main TTS. Okay, so this is the new
Back button. Accessibility button. TTS rate acceleration. TTS rate.
So here you can adjust your TTS rate,
TTS volume ratio.
TTS volume,
TTS pitch.
TTS pitch.
TTS pitch.
Okay, here after that, here I have another feature.
Audio channel used. Default.
Okay, audio channel used. I'm not sure what is this about. I had explored it, but I could be able to understand it. So I will try to find it out and let you know in the upcoming tutorials.
Audio channel used. Default. Jieshuo White. TTS rate acceleration. Timer settings. Automatically read the time checkbox unchecked. Controls whether the time should be automatically read at the specified intervals. Time reading interval. Alarm start time unavailable. Alarm end time. Announcement speech checkbox. Timer interval. Default. Announce with haptic.
Okay, this one, timer interval.
1 minute checked. 5 minutes unchecked. 10 minutes unchecked. 15 minutes unchecked. Cancel button. Cancel. Timer settings. Announce with haptics checkbox unchecked. Announce with sound checkbox. Timer manager. Timer label manager. Time. Reset timer. Default. Reset timer. Default. Timer settings. Navigate up button.
Okay, we have preset timer here.
Timer. Time. Cancel button. New button. New button. Cancel button. Reset timer. Default. Cancel button. Timer settings.
So I'm not sure what is this for.
Navigate up button.
So yes,
Back page 1 of 3.
these are the new updates and new things that I have found in this jieshuo or commentary screen reader, which has been released on January 4th 2023. So hope you like this content and hope this video will interesting and hope this will be helpful, especially for the new and basic users. So if you love this content, don't forget to like and share this video and give your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and our channel and click on the bell notification icon. So if you want get any application for your mobiles and for your Windows laptop or PC, you can get it from our Telegram channel. The link will be provided at the description below. So see you again in the next tutorial. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye bye. See you soon.
Tap to stop.